name's Joanne, and I'm sure if you saw my rap video, you're now a fan. Items that you would ever want to see, ranging from diamonds and this estate jewelry, this beautiful antique jewelry, going up into many thousands of dollars, but also something for the person who doesn't have that much in their pocketbook. And if you come over here, you will see the many vintage pins that we have on sale right now, half price. Some are holiday pins, and many are antiques. And here we have our colored gemstone case, all set in white gold or yellow gold. And here we have a case of beautiful hand-blown crystal, which we've been offering to customers for over 10 years now. We have many people who come in and get a new piece for their collections, either for their mother, sister, brother. It's a very, very popular item. The light's off. Now for a stop at our gold case, and here we have our gold case, which consists of charms and bracelets and rings and necklaces, and we sell all our gold at half price, and we are very competitive with the other stores in the area. So we sell a lot of this gold all the time. And this is our men's case. We sell vintage men's watches, new watches, pocket watches, men's accessories, cufflinks, tie bars, money clips, all made of gold or silver. And last but not least, we have our diamond case, which I would say is our customers' favorite case, because we sell diamonds at very, very good prices, half the appraised value, and sometimes less. We have many selections from vintage to newer pieces, and this time of year, a lot of couples are asking the question, I guess, and getting engaged, and they come here because these rings fit their pocketbooks, and they walk away very pleased.